All right, Schrute Stocks family, what's going on, guys? It's still March 2nd, 2021, and my God, guys, I like to give conservative estimates on Rocket Mortgage and all my other plays, but man, this thing really took off. I mean, it's really living up to its name, Rocket. Look at this, guys. My God. And it's only right now, it's 2:45 in the afternoon, and this is just the beginning, it seems, because tomorrow I think they're going to be doing Rocket Mortgage is going to be doing like interview with I think it's Morgan Stanley they're going to be with, and this is just another catalyst to throw on top of the thing. And remember what I said in my video earlier today, guys, that they needed to to secure in your dividend payment, you have to be in by end of the week, guys. This seems to be, might have a pretty decent run up right now. I don't want to put any number on it. I have no idea where it could go, but this is one thing I want to point out real quick, guys. So when you see a run up go, like, this is a mistake I made in the previous play. I think it was the Zomedica, or might have been one of the other. I'm trying to remember which one I was in before. But remember the time when we saw the stock like run all the way up, and then I just let it like go all the way back down? That's a mistake, guys. And I wanted to show you my favorite button on these trading platforms, the trailing stop loss. Now, guys, this thing was starting at like what, 27, 28, and it ran all the way up to $41, right? And then it dipped all the way down to $36. Or let's see, what's the lowest it got? Like 35. Let's do that. 41 to 35, 36, you could say. If you take a look and see how low was that dip, right? And then you're seeing right now it climbed right back up. That number from 41 to like 35, let's just say, that number that's how I like to base my trailing stop loss. So I'm having a hard time like trying to articulate what I'm actually like gonna say, because I don't want to like steer you in the wrong direction on some of this stuff. So that's the idea I'm trying to give you. You see, like when this initial spike happened here, then there was a dip, guys. A lot of people sold out right here, and then they cashed it all out. You see, because it's when you're seeing it in the moment, it's you don't know how high it's going to look, or what the long-term trajectory of this thing is going to be. And when I say long-term, guys, I'm not saying 1-2 years. I'm saying even here, we don't know what this is going to look like, to be honest, by the end of the day, or tomorrow, the day after. Who the heck knows, right? So to secure in our gains, right? Look at this. It's 75%, guys. I'm happy with 75% gains. And so if I put in a trailing stop loss of 20%, right? Of 20%, then this thing, it's basically going to be trailing wherever this thing goes. And if it ever goes below the 20% mark of wherever it is right now, so let's say even right now it's at $38, it's only when it goes to 20% below that where it will cash itself out. You follow what I'm saying? So effectively speaking, guys, this is one very safe way to secure in profits and take things from there. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I go to sell, and then, where is it? Right here. So trailing stop order. All right, continue. And I like to go with 20%, guys. The way I come with this number 20, this is just trial and error, to be quite honest. I made the mistakes myself so that you guys won't have to, because I'm going to tell you right now. Whenever you see, so I normally used to go by 5%, 10%. I've experimented, and you see, you have to play it by the stock, okay? So whenever these companies have huge run-ups, or let's say it's a penny stock, like let's say Zomedica, these companies can have they can have really high fluctuations. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really hard to gauge it. So if you put the trailing stop loss at like 10%, guys, it'll cash you out way early on, and you'll miss out on this. So these stocks that are, they're much more volatile, they are subject to higher fluctuations, right? So for me, I'm thinking, give it the safest margin possible. You know what I'm saying? At 20%, guys, I'm fine with the 20%. But like I said, even right now it sells out, that's still like over 50% profit I get to lock in. 50% is much more than I was even expecting here, guys. I'm not trying to become too greedy when it comes to this thing, all right? We got to play a little bit of intelligence, Not too much, but just a little bit. So let me show you here. All right, 20%. Let's go. And then let's do it for today. And let's do, where can I do this? All right, 2022. Okay. And let's just go. And that's what it is, guys. This is how we can secure in our gains. And I'm sorry I'm not able to explain a lot more right now. I'm gonna see if I could do another video later in the evening, or maybe just tomorrow. I'm still like busy today. It's midday, so I can't go into it too much. But anyways, guys, if you were holding on to Clover, again, Clover is still a good bet long term. All right, this is Rocket Mortgage. Remember what I was telling you? This was a short-term play for me. This is not, honestly, Rocket Mortgage I am okay keeping as a long-term hold as well, to be quite honest. That's why I was able to put, I didn't think too much into putting 10,000 into this, because this morning when I did that, because even if this thing pulls all the way back, guys, let's say to $20 mark, I'm perfectly okay keeping this as a long-term thing. We just got very lucky last week in the sense where their earnings report, I already predicted that their earnings report would have done well, but that $1.11 dividend payment, the short sellers that are in this thing, guys, this was just a matter of timing. Don't consider this to be the norm, all right? That's why when I said it in the morning, for the newbie investors, don't follow these practices, because this is how you can get burned. Seriously. I got lucky on this, but you can look back in January and things like that, when how many people went into GameStop, AMC, right when they were chasing the hype, and then look what ends up happening. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys right now. For anyone new watching, I do these daily updates, sometimes multiple times a day. I'm showing you real time my portfolio, every single play, everything that's going on. I'm one of the most transparent YouTubers out there when it comes to this stuff. A lot of people charge you on a Patreon for this, and they don't even show you the reality of it. So if you're new here and you want to follow along on this $1 million journey of ours, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and stay happy, stay healthy, guys. I'm going to check in with you on the next one. Bye.